Hello kiddies, are you ready to learn the numbers? I'm a number monster. Do you want to learn how to count? Pay attention. Here we go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let's try a little bit slower. This is number 1. One juicy apple. This is number 2. 1 2 yummy burgers. This is number 3. 1 2 3. There are 3 kids. Here we have number 4. 1 2 3 4. There are 4 robots. This is number 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 beautiful butterflies. This is number 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 shining stars. This is number 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. There are 7 bees. Here we have number 8. Let's count the candles on the cake. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So there are 8 candles on the cake. This is number 9. Let's count the birds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So there are 9 birds. Here we have a number 10. Let's count the yummy cookies. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay kiddies, let's recall it again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now you know the numbers. Counting is so much fun. Make sure you practice. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more learn and fun videos. See you soon.